Avocados are one of my favorite foods. Although I don't have an avocado tree at home, my house is always filled with avocados. So I compiled 9 exciting things about avocado to inspire you to add more avocado to your day and aid you in your journey to a healthier and natural life. In this video, we will take a look at 9 fun and interesting facts about avocados. I am sure that some of the facts will be very surprising to you. Let's get into it. Number 9. The avocado is Mexican. The avocado originated in Puebla, Mexico, in approximately 10,000 BC. Today, Mexico is still the largest cultivar and supplier of avocado worldwide, exporting $2.7 billion worth in 2020 alone. The other top 5 avocado exporting countries are Netherlands, Peru, Spain, and Chile. Number 8. The original name for avocado. Hang on. Since we know the avocado is Mexican, shouldn't we call it by its Spanish name, aguacate? Either way, the word avocado originates from the Aztec language, Nahuatl. Hopefully, this will tickle you. The origins of the Nahuatl word for aguacate is ahuacado. This means testicle. I guess that Aztecs thought they looked like testicles. Did I mention avocados grow in twos? How's that for low-hanging fruit? I am sure you will never look at an avocado the same way again. Number 7. Avocado is a superfood. The avocado is a superhero in the kitchen because of its many health benefits. The high fiber content aids the digestive system, healthy fats lower cholesterol, and the chance of stroke or heart attack. The avocado is also rich in vitamin C and vitamin E. What more could you want? Number 6. Ancient significance. The Aztecs were a Mesoamerican civilization that inhabited southern Mexico from 1345 to 1521. They introduced the avocado to Spanish explorers who took it back to Europe. In Aztec culture, the avocado was a symbol of love and fertility. They also believed, and rightly so, that consuming avocado made a person healthy and strong. Number 5. Holy guacamole. Here are a couple of fun facts about avocado to bring up at your next taco night. The day when the most avocados are consumed is Super Bowl Sunday, when Americans eat an unbelievable 8 million pounds of guacamole. A 9,090-pound bowl of guacamole was prepared by the New York Jets football team for their season opener in 2019, setting the world record. Number 4. The avocado plant is thirsty. A single avocado needs 320 liters of water to grow to maturity. Compared to other crops, avocado is the biggest water consumer by far. It takes 70 liters to grow an apple, 50 liters to grow an orange, and 25 liters to grow a potato. Some vegans even refuse to eat avocados due to the high water consumption and its impact on the environment. Number 3. Avocado versus banana. Here are 2 exciting avocado and banana facts. The banana is known for its high potassium content, 358 milligrams, but it's surpassed by the avocado 485 milligrams. Need that avocado to ripen quickly? Just put it in a brown paper bag along with the banana. The banana releases a gas called ethylene, which expedites the ripening process, so your avocado will be ready in time for dinner. Number 2. An avocado pharmacy. Here are some more fun facts about avocado that prove it is a fascinating fruit. The avocado is packed full of essential mineral elements. Out of the 10 minerals critical for human health, the avocado has all 10. Are you ready for the list? Zinc, sodium, selenium, copper, potassium, manganese, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, and calcium. Need more convincing about the avocado's health benefits? Avocados can also reduce gas and improve vision. Number 1. Don't leave the skins on the counter. The avocado contains a fungicidal toxin called persin. Unfortunately, persin is incredibly toxic to dogs. The plant, pit, and skins have the highest concentrations and are highly poisonous. The flesh of the avocado also contains persin, but in tiny amounts. That should be okay if your pup gets into the guacamole, but I wouldn't be planting avocado trees in the backyard. Okay, this was 9 fun facts about avocado. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more similar fun facts videos about food. See you.